Good morning. So today we're going to go ahead and we're going to walk through assignment 5 here, practicing using broadcast and receive blocks. So of course the first thing we're going to do every time is create an assignment, share it, and add it to Studio when we have an assignment. So create, you can just go ahead and name your assignment, your first name, and the number 5 because this is assignment 5. Of course we press that orange share button. If you ever get this message, just click don't show me again, proceed with share, and add it to Studio. Assignment 5. Okay. So again, this part's important. Say this every time. Don't press create from here. Otherwise, you no longer have your assignment turned in. Click see inside right here. Again, our class motto is kill cats, so make sure that you kill your cat. And then assignment 5 part 2. Select any background and choose a sprite, a main sprite. Again, does not matter what background, does not matter what sprite. Gonna pick the beach because I don't want to be here. Gonna pick Avery walking because she's simple to do. So I picked a background and a sprite. Next, initialize the main sprite. Set the X and Y, set size and starting costume if needed. So with the green flag and a switch costume to the first costume block. Again, I've moved her where I want her to start, and I give a go to XY block, and voila. Now my sprite is initialized. Again, this code is just telling her where to start. That's why I'm adding that comment block. Make your main sprite walk across the screen. Use a repeat block and glide blocks. Okay? So, in order to make her glide across the screen, I'm going to go ahead and drag out a glide block. I like to change that to 3.3 seconds. That's the time we've been using in most of our assignments. That works well with our animation. So we click the green flag, she glides across. Now we need to give her the repeat blocks. Again, you should know how to do this pretty well by now. We've done this probably 20 times almost by now with different characters. Repeat, wait, and next costume. And again, I'm just going to add a comment here. This is animation, right? That's all we're doing right there is we're animating our character. So it looks like she walks. She gets there and she says, well, let's see. We get her to go across. We have her say, where is everyone? She comes here. We come here and we say, where is everyone? So again, let's watch one more time. She gets here. She says, where is everyone? We're halfway done with the assignment already. Next part, we're going to add 3 new sprites. Does not matter which sprites. Let's go ahead and add this guy, this guy, and why not Abby? Abby's an old fan favorite. Okay, add 3 sprites. Initialize them. Give them a starting flag, hide, or starting location, hide when the green flag is clicked. Okay? So for every character, when the green flag is clicked, give them a starting location after you move them where you want, and hide. For every new character, when the green flag is clicked, starting location, and hide. And we'll have one last character to do the same thing with momentarily. When the green flag is clicked, starting location, and hide. So we click the green flag and she walks across the screen and you'll see every character is hidden. She says, where is everybody? Now we use broadcast and receive blocks to control what happens next. So we come back to our main character and at the end of either the move block or here, either way, we're going to actually after this block. We want it to be after the say everyone, where is everyone block. Broadcast the message everyone or anything you want. It does not matter what you name this. Just that you use it for the next part. So, broadcast message, everyone or anything you want. It does not matter what you name this. Again, why did I name it that? Because, and here's the crazy part, it does not matter what you name this, just that you use it for the next part. She sends this message, I want Champ Bebe here to show up when I use this block. I want Ben here to show up when I use this block. I want Abby here to show up when I use this block. She walks across. Everyone shows up. Ta-da! We are most of the way done. Broadcast a message to make the 3 new sprites show up. Last, when the sprite shows up, one sprite says something like, here we are. Let's have Abby say it, because why not? It doesn't matter which one you pick. She says, here we are. Then, have another sprite show up and walk over to the main sprite using repeat plus costume change and a glide block. Let's go to Ben and have him glide over. We're going to need a new block here because one of the blocks is going to be moving Ben with a glide block. And another block is going to be doing the animation. Repeat 10 times. Wait 0.3 seconds. Looks. Next costume. So now, she comes over here. Now, he is behind her, but he looks like he's ahead of her. So we're going to fix that with go to back layer. So when I click this, now he's going to be behind her. See? That's what we want. We made somebody walk over to her. And the last thing we're going to do is show up and do something. It can be anything. It does not matter what it is. I'm going to go ahead and just make him Boogie because I know homie has some sick dance moves. 0.3 seconds and next costume. Y'all know how to do that. She comes over here and where is everyone? Here we are. He's dancing. He's moving over here. Ta-da! Show up and do something. That is everything you have to do. Your assignment is done. Make sure you press save now before you exit. Double check. See project page. Did you add it to Studio? You did. Good work.